All right, y'all, what is up? What is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and I want to talk to you about a product, right? This product is made by a company or brand called Avian, and this product is the Avian Bridge computer mount. Oh my goodness, I am excited about this. I'm gonna tell you why I bought this. I'm gonna talk to you about the old design. This is the new design. Of course, I'm gonna show you the product. I'm gonna show you a comparison because when you buy an Avian bar, it comes with its own computer mount, but this is the upgraded one. I'm gonna show you some weight comparison, and I'm also gonna explain to you who this computer mount is for, even if you don't have this Avian bar, right? So let me just move these out the way real quick, and I'm gonna show you this, right? I do not have the OG Avian Bridge. They had that product out like months ago, right? And like I said, when you buy the Avian bars, it comes with its own computer mount, and then you can get the upgraded one. The version 1 of the upgraded computer mount wasn't doing well, and they had to do a redesign. So this is the redesign, and I've been waiting for months for this thing to come out. And I'm gonna show you it. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna tell you right off, I didn't love the redesign because, yeah, it looks better than the original, but it doesn't really look too high speed in my opinion. But this thing only costs 30 bucks, and I still think it is very much worth the bang for buck, right? And I'm gonna explain why that is. So, like I said, when you purchase the Avian bars, it comes with a stock computer mount. This is the stock computer mount, and I'm going to show you what they look like in comparison. If I get this thing out, and they are kind of similar, but yes, they are different. So this is the one that comes with the Avian bars, and I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of Chinese brand bars with this kind of almost exact same computer mount. It just looks like a regular piece of carbon fiber. It's nothing exciting. But compared to the one next to it, the Avian Bridge, you can see there are some differences. And one of the differences is weight, but also one of the differences is design. Now, the one that comes with it, this is not ugly, but it's not the most appealing to me. And this one's not either, but this one does look a little bit better in my opinion. And like I said, for 30 bucks, I really do think that it is worth it, right? I have not installed this yet on the bike, but the older one, I do have a set of Avian bars with it on there, so you can kind of see what it looks like. And like I said, it doesn't look bad. It fits on there just fine. I never had any issues with it. I was just interested in the Avian Bridge, just mostly because of the weight, but actually getting my hand on the product, now I have a different level of appreciation for it, and I think it's a good value for other folks, even if you don't have the Avian bar. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. How much does this thing weigh? Let's get this scale out. And the first thing we want to know is how much is, this is the stock one that comes with your bars, right? And it has the GoPro mount on there. I'm gonna talk about that in just a second. But the stock one weighs 29 grams, which isn't bad. The Avian Bridge, the upgraded one, weighs 21 grams. So you're saving 8 grams. Like I said, when I purchased this Avian Bridge, I want to say it was like 30 bucks. Is 30 bucks worth 8 grams? In my opinion, in the weight weenie game, yes, that is definitely worth 8 bucks. That is money well spent. Now, another thing, when you get, Avian does this with their stuff all the time. I really like the way they do this. You get all the extra bolts, all the extra washers, and you get all the Allen keys. It comes with everything, right? One of the things that's really cool about this is if you do not use a GoPro mount, which I do not, you can take this off. And when you take this GoPro mount off, it comes with this little, I guess I'll call this a little bridge piece that substitute that in it. And when the bolts go through the computer mount, this holds everything in place. So you could probably save a couple grams if you take this off as well. And that comes with the Avian Bridge, but then also the stock one comes with that as well. Now, that's the weight comparison. I'll show you what the product looked like. But one of the things I said is I'm going to tell you who this is for. This is for the weight weenies, right? If you are an individual that is trying to save a couple grams, this is an excellent option for you. And the reason why it's an excellent option, there are a lot of bar systems that has this type of mounting type, right? So, like I said, the Avian, all the Avian bars have this mount type. It's just a 2-bolt system on the bottom. This is the Avian Falcon, and then I also have this is the Avian Paris, and as you can see, it just has those standard 2-bolt holes to secure the computer mount. So if you have a bar system or a stem that has those 2 bolts under there, this would be a great option for you so you can shave some weight. Now with this older style, this one's pretty light as well because this one was 29 grams. But if you look at the bolt holes, they are in a specific place. So if your bar system doesn't have the exact same screw placement, you won't be able to use this mount unless you probably do some modification. But if you look at this new one, they got these slots. That gives you the option to have some adjustment as far as how these holes line up with this computer mount. Also, if you have a large computer or a shorter computer and you want your computer closer to the bar or farther away from the bar once it gets mounted up, that gives you the option. That is a lot of adjustability in $29. Also, it comes with all these little shims, right? All these little shims and all these little washers. And what these are, what I did is you might have to use a washer or two. I'm gonna see if you can see it on this one. Yes, if you can see, I got some washers in here, and what those washers did, it just staggered the mount to give me the right pitch that I want. So when my computer is mounted onto the bar, it's flat, because this doesn't have that adjustment built into the arm because it's just one piece. But you can use those shims and washers to kind of change the pitch on your computer mount, right? Now I'm gonna show you something else. And you say, oh, do I really want to do it? Like I said, this is for the weight weenies if you're trying to save some grams. I recently picked up a Super 6 Evo High Mod, and I got the Cannondale bar system that comes, it doesn't come with the bike, but it's made for that bike, right? This is the computer mount. This is the Cannondale computer mount, and it is a very nice mount. It feels very robust. It's very well made. It's very clean. I really like this, but this is a hefty joker, right? The stock computer mount is 41 grams. That's a lot, right? And if you look, it's got them standard bolt holes, right? If you have a short computer, you can use 2 of the holes. If you have a longer computer, you can use the other 2 holes, right? But for this one, 41 grams. If you were to get that Avian Bridge, 21 grams. That's dang near half the weight for 30 bucks. Also be mindful of this. This is a insert that's on the bottom of this computer mount. And this insert comes, no, it doesn't come out. I take that back. You have the GoPro mount that goes in line with the holes and attaches to. So if I was going to use the GoPro mount with this, and this is not even with the screw hardware, we had 54 grams. The Avian Bridge with GoPro mount, 21 grams. So you're saving about 30 grams. So you mean to tell me I'm going to save a gram per dollar? In the weight weenie game, you cannot beat that at all. So if you have an Avian bar and you wanted to do the upgrade to the Avian Bridge, in my opinion, it is very much worth the money. Now, if you do not have the Avian bar, but you have a bar system that has a standard 2-bolt computer mount system, I think the Avian Bridge is an excellent product for something that is lightweight. For 30 bucks, you can't beat it, man. There are some other companies that are making some lightweight computer mounts, and they have like some titanium ones and all that. Dude, some of them computer mounts are like 150, 200 bucks. Would I spend 200 bucks to save like 8 grams? Me, I would not. That is not worth the weight weenie journey for me. But even if you saved 8 grams for 30 bucks, hey man, I do not think that is a bad deal at all. And like I said, this is the version 2 of the Avian Bridge. They had one out that came out months ago. It did not do well, so they took it off. And I have bought so many bars from Avian. I was in contact when I said, yo, when are y'all going to re-release the Avian Bridge? And they was like, man, it'll probably be out like in another month. And sure enough, it was. I seen it online, 30 bucks. I bought it in. I'm very happy with this. I think I'm going to order another one to replace something else on another bike. I might even throw one on my Super 6 Evil, to be real with you. I ain't even going to hold you. But yes, I wanted to show you that. If you are liking the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are on the way to 9,000. You know what? I'm not even going to say 9,000. We are on the way to 10,000 subscribers. Please consider subscribing to the channel. That's all I got for you. This is your boy, Mr. Rob Armstrong. I am out.